Hello, dear subscribers. Hope you all are doing great. A warm welcome to our YouTube channel. Here we upload amazing facts related to food, technology, psychology, horror, and many others. Enjoy the facts and share it with your friends and family. Also, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Keep supporting. Clouds carry large quantities of bacterial antibiotic resistance genes generated by antibiotics released into the environment. Astronauts often faint or forget gravity after months in space. Earth feels heavier than ever. Scientists discover sixth ocean located 430 miles beneath Earth's surface, hidden under blue rock. This looks like a pencil drawing, but it's actually a photo of an A10 Thunderbolt in snow. Meet the rupees 50 crore wolf dog that is more expensive than supercars. The Marsh Arabs of southern Iraq, also known as the Madin, are famous for their sustainable floating homes called mudif, made entirely of reeds without nails or wood. Their unique centuries-old way of life revolves around the marshes at the junction of the Tigris and Euphrates rivers. Sunita Williams before and after being stuck in space for 9 months. There is a wasp species named after Shakira because it causes its host to shake and wiggle their bodies like Shakira does. All centibillionaires reached $100 billion for the first time in 2017 or later, except Bill Gates, who briefly hit the milestone in 1999 during the dot-com boom. As the ISS orbits Earth at 17,100 meters per hour, Sunita Williams witnesses 16 sunrises and 16 sunsets every day. The largest stadium in the world is Rangrado Stadium in North Korea. It can hold 132,000 people but is often empty. Sitting with your legs folded on a chair or something shows your strong self-confidence. You can touch 15 degrees Celsius molten metal for 2.5 seconds without getting burned. Seoul is the world's most digitally connected city with free high-speed internet available on every street, corner and cafe. Dad who can make jokes can raise happier children, study suggests. Ravens can spot a cheater and will shun one another for being unfair. The birds work together to get equal amounts of food, but if they notice another raven taking more than its fair share, they immediately lose trust and won't cooperate with them in the future. Anxiety can make time feel slower. If you move your legs too much, know that you are impatient. Decision fatigue makes choices harder over time. Recent observations by DESI team indicate that dark energy, the force driving the universe's expansion, may be weakening. This challenges existing cosmological theories and suggests a potential shift in our understanding of the universe's fate. Barn owls get divorced. They are monogamous birds, but about one-fourth of them find new partners. If they don't make enough babies, they will stick it out for a year before they finally separate, but they refuse to see other owls until it's official. Mesmerizing footage of flamingos and camels walking together on a beach. Nobody is more stressed than a person who has a lot of interest or passion and is still confused about their career. Busy does not mean productive, it often means distracted. NASA hired 11 deaf men to study the body's responses to foreign gravitational environments. They were chosen because their disabled inner ear made them immune to motion sickness. There are giant hornets in Japan whose venom is potent enough to melt human flesh. In 1989, Bill Gates answered a Microsoft tech support call and identified himself only as William, then solved the issue. The customer called back later specifically requesting him. Babies are like tiny spies watching and copying everything you do. The city of Austin, Texas has a program where they train citizens to write tickets for handicap parking violations. After taking a course in proper procedure, you are given the authority to ticket anyone you see parked in a handicap spot without a placard. In 1916, a businessman in Utah mailed 15,000 bricks through the US Postal Service to build a bank. The bricks were shipped from Salt Lake City, about 125 miles away, to avoid high freight cost. This led the Postal Service to introduce new rules limiting the maximum weight one person could send in a day. Having 4 to 5 overnight soaked raisins with some almonds the first thing in the morning has proven to be quite effective on menstrual pain. One can also start taking them a week before their period if they know their period's date. A Romanian woman used an amber nugget valued at $1 million as a doorstep for decades. Thieves who robbed her house missed it completely, taking only gold jewelry. After her death in 1991, the 3.5 kg piece, which is up to 7 million olds, became a national treasure. Every Indian woman must have these number. National Commission for Women. Women's Helpline All India. Domestic abuse and violence. Police Helpline. Child Helpline. Women in Distress. Cybercrime Helpline. Thanks for watching.